Hello, my lovely Taurians. Hi, Taurus. Welcome to my channel. It's Lady of the Throne, and I am here with your April 1st to the 15th love messages, your love guidance. So, thank you for coming to watch my video. Just want to let you know, Taurus, that these videos are created for those of you who are more interested in listening to videos versus watching. You may not have time to watch. You may have your earphones in and you are busy moving around, but you just want something calm and chill to listen to and some advice that will actually help you, okay? This is actually going to be pretty exciting. I'm excited to do this for you guys. I do feel very positive energy as I was sifting through the energy of Taurus, okay? So it does feel good. It does feel good. So, yeah, Taurus, we're just going to get right to it. If you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe. Make sure that you guys subscribe to my channel. You don't want to miss this, okay? I have a lot of great things coming, Taurus. So subscribe to the channel, hit that thumbs up button. In this video, we're going to look at two things. We're going to look at the feelings between you and your person of interest and how you two see each other. Now, outside of YouTube, we do have extended readings available, and there will be a link down below in the description box to purchase your extended. In the extended, we're going to go deeper. We're going to look at your intentions together for this connection, what you really want and what they really want. So we're going to uncover the secrets for what you guys want that's beneath the surface. And we're also going to get some guidance to help you and this person work on things or come together in the connection. Okay, so yes, Taurus, let's jump in. So how do you feel about this person? Well, firstly, I want to say that you guys may be feeling tired. The first 2 weeks, very tired, sleepy, lazy, a little exhausted from working so hard, feeling the need to refresh yourself, some extra sleep. Okay, I feel like you guys are just like really hard workers and you just really need a break. For those of you who are female Taurians, you guys possibly may be pregnant. For some of you, do take a pregnancy test if you do think you are pregnant, because you could be. For others of you, this may not be the case. Not everybody's going to be in this energy, okay? Some of you are just tired from being really busy. You've had a lot of ripping and running to do. You've been on the go, and it's just like, okay, whew, now I can finally go home and just sleep now, okay? So you guys could be feeling that. I'm also getting craving comfort and eating comfort foods. You guys have these like weird food cravings coming through the first 2 weeks of April. You may start to crave things that you normally don't crave, or you may want like soul food. I'm getting mac and cheese and cornbread. For some reason, I'm getting Southern soul food. So some of you may be experimenting in your kitchens and getting some soul food cooking. Some of you may go on a date to a soul food restaurant with someone. That's an option. Or you may have someone cooking the soul food for you. That's something a Taurian will love. You guys love pleasure. You love when people make you feel good, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. So you guys are just in this energy where I feel like you just want to ball up under someone. You just want to get under someone and be really close to them, okay? A lot of you guys are also moving into an energy where you're starting to feel more courageous and bold, okay? You guys are really in love. I believe that all of this, and I said all of that to say that you're in love. You're falling deeply in love with somebody. You're deeply in love with this person. And for a lot of you, it's someone else. It's not the person that you may be living with. It may not be the person you're married to. It may not be the person you say you're in a relationship with. I feel like this is a love interest who you're falling in love with for a lot of you. There's someone that you really, really do like. I'm just saying what I see, okay? And that's what I'm getting here, is that there's romantic and passionate feelings about another person, and you guys are extremely into this person. This is something that you may have felt about this person for a long time, and now your feelings are getting deeper now. You're getting more involved into this person's life. You're really wanting to be home with this person. I feel whoever this love interest is for you, Taurus, you want to be with this person. A lot of you, especially if there's someone who lives with you, or they left a toothbrush at your house, or they have a few things at your house, I feel like you guys are wanting this person to vacate the premises. Like, I feel like you guys are getting rid of someone. I'm really feeling this energy of you guys putting people out. You're getting rid of people's bags, their toothbrush, even the toothbrush has to go. You guys are clearing something out because almost like immediately, like with a snap of a finger, you guys are welcoming in this other person that you are so in love with. I feel there is another individual here, Taurus. I strongly feel that energy, and I feel like you guys are just like, you're getting rid of someone, all right? And there's going to be another person that's more in your life, and it could be this love interest. So let's look at the love interest and see how's the love interest feeling. Oh wow, it's the love interest, Taurus. Yeah, you have a loved interest. You have a person that you're not yet in an official relationship with that you really want to be with. This person feels extraordinary. Wow. April 1st through the 15th is something that is going on here. And a lot of you guys could be dealing with an Aries sign, since the reading for Aries came out with the same or similar energy as you. Aries kicked it off with a very beautiful, bright, and optimistic energy. It's amazing, the energy with Aries. And so here you guys go right after, and it's beautiful. Whoever this person you're interested in, they're very happy with the connection with you. They feel like all of their wishes are being fulfilled because you're in their life. It's something that you're changing, something that you're doing. You're coming forward to someone who you really are feeling. And this person, you make this person feel nurtured by you. You make this person feel like you really do care about them. You give this person a sense of comfort. You put them at ease with things. You want them to feel protected and safe with this connection, just like you. A lot of you guys are pampering someone. Okay, I'm getting that strongly, especially for my Taurus men. You guys are really going above and beyond for someone, or just like treating someone like a lady. If you're a female watching, you're getting treated like a lady by someone. Someone is really doing the most for you. This person feels like they're falling in love with you too. This person is also falling for you. This person's like, la, 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 la. You know, it's just like a feeling of love. Love. I'm also getting flowers. Okay, so someone could be giving you guys flowers, my Taurus females. You guys could be receiving flowers. This person, or maybe they feel like that's what they want to do when they see you the next time. They want to give you nice flowers, particularly roses or daisies. Others of you, you may be the person who wants to give the Taurus some flowers, okay? But there is a beautiful love energy that surrounds the connection here. Your person, Taurus, has nothing but love on their brain when it comes to you, love on their mind, all right? Now, let's go into the point of view. How do you see each other? Taurus, how do you see them? And how do they see you? Starting with Taurus. Wow. Some of you are dealing with a fire sign energy. There's a big energy of fire here. You could be dealing with an Aries, a Leo, or Sagittarius. This fire sign energy is strong. The kind of person that you are dealing with is like a fire god or like a fire goddess. This is someone who works really well with the element of fire. They also light your fire, Taurus. This is someone who is like the ultimate Leo, or the ultimate Aries, or the ultimate Sagittarius. It could be any fire sign, but this person is like very spiritually evolved and also awakened and enlightened. This kind of person is aware of their power. They are an extremely powerful person. That's how you see them, Taurus. Wow. Taurus, you see this person going through a spiritual transformation. Like, you notice the changes in this person. You know that this person has purified themselves. Like, you just see this person as being pure in a way. Like, this is what it is. You know how fire is dangerous. It's hot. It's passionate, but it's also warming, and you need it to do a lot of things. It's like that's how you're seeing this person. Like, they're fiery, they have a lot of energy, but they also warm your soul. They make you feel at home. It's like a fireplace. Like, this is your place. This fire sign is your home, your place, your happy place. They're the person that you want to share passion with. Fire can also purify just like water, because what a fire can do is burn out things that needs to be burnt out. Okay, like some people, they burn pictures of their exes, of their ex-partners. They don't want to deal with someone anymore. They threw it in the fire. And, people burn that out. So, and you need fire to cook. You need fire to get warm in the winter. So there's an energy here about going through or dealing with a very cold situation, Taurus, in your love life. Like, maybe you were dating a cold-hearted person or a cold-blooded person. And this other person, whether they are a fire sign or not a fire sign, because some of you are dealing with someone who's a different sun sign, but like has a fire sign, moon or rising kind of thing. But I strongly feel that they are an Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But either way, this is someone who is a fiery person who has all of this passion for you, Taurus, and they've come into your life to bring you the passion that you've been looking for. Like, you're tired of dealing with cold-blooded and cold-hearted people. Like, you're tired of people being stiff with you, not really being passionate and open with you. This is someone who you see that can do this. Some of you all, okay, there is a huge energy about pregnancy. Something is going on between the Taurus, the Aries, there's a Capricorn, I can't remember, but if you're dealing with a different zodiac sign, I highly recommend that you go and watch one of my other videos for this. But there's a big pregnancy energy here. Like, somebody wants to be pregnant, or someone's trying to get someone pregnant. Big energy about that. But Taurus, the way you see this person is someone who is being reborn and stepping into their power. A person who has been through so much pain, and they're able to transmute all of the pain that they've been through into something so beautiful. And you're just flabbergasted by this person. You're just looking at this person like, wow. Like, this person's life is an entire spiritual awakening in itself. This person can be 20 years old, 30, 45, 67, 92. Their entire life to you is like a spiritual awakening, and they are a person who you feel is reuniting with their true self. You also could be reuniting with this person, Taurus. So this is someone who you have either known this person from the past, like your childhood, or you've always wanted to be with this person, or this is someone you remember from a past life. But either way, you guys are meeting each other on a soul level. And I do feel that you and this person's soul is quite the same or similar. It's like they've got what you need, you've got what they need. You see this person as someone who knows the truth and has compassion for all people. You feel like this person doesn't really judge people, that they love all people, and because they know the truth about people, that kind of thing. Wow, you're dealing with a highly spiritual kind of person that you see as strong and capable to keep you interested for a very long time. Now, wow, Taurus, wow. Strong Aries energy. Go and watch the Aries video. You're going to love it, because this is the same type of energy. Now, your person's point of view. Okay, Wow. So Taurus, this person sees you seeing life from a higher perspective. Yeah. They know that you're now opening your eyes to who they are and who they've always been. They know that now, when it comes to spirituality, you're seeing things deeper and you're going deeper. You're exploring the depths of this person, and they see you doing that now. Like, they can see that you know who they really are now. And at first, you probably didn't understand them, or you didn't understand what they were going through. Okay. But this person sees you as someone who knows that good fortune is with them. Like, they can see that you're confident because you know what this person has is something that is going to lead to a lot of fortune in your life. This person sees you waiting for things to go in your favor. But this person also wants you to take advantage because they feel like this opportunity with them is a golden opportunity. And they know that the divine is sending this your way. Okay. This person sees you as someone who just needs to let it ride. Okay, you don't have to force anything or be anyone else that you're not. This person wants you to just go with the flow with this connection. They feel like luck is on your side. Okay, luck is on your side. Like, you're not gonna, it's like this person sees you as someone who may be a little nervous, but this person's like always coming in to calm you down and just like using their fiery energy. They're coming in to burn all your fears away. They're taking all of your nervousness away, your anxiety away, and they're just like, just let us be ablaze. Like, just let us be like the sun. Let us be golden. Let us be godly. Let us be more like God. Okay? Let us love unconditionally. Let us be pure. Just let us be. Just let us be. Just let us be. So that is how this person feels about you, Taurus. Like, you know, they just see you needing to see everything from a higher perspective, continue to go deep, you know, spiritually, because this person knows that this connection is just going to be golden. Like, that's what they're calling this, a golden opportunity, a golden connection. So yes, Taurus, this is amazing. This right here is amazing. So if you guys want to go deeper and find out what do they really truly want with you, like what do they want to do, what do they want in the connection, and also some helpful advice about this connection, highly recommend getting the extended. The link will be down below. Thank you, and God bless you.